1992, again, hindi na support ka. Thank you.
Okay, so we would like to thank Batch 92 for passing it on to us. And we would like to say greeting to each and every one of you. We as Batch 93 wholeheartedly accepts that challenge.
Thank you.
It's a challenge for us. And we'll assure each and every one of you that we will do our very best to host next year's alumni homecoming. It's much, we will not promise homecoming which is very good, extravagant or whatever. It's only a promise that we will do our very best to meet the expectations of each and every one of you. We would like to call on, since our partner next year is Batch 1968, we would like to call on the representative of Batch 1968, my sister, Olivia Cosme Antonio.
Ay, power naman pala. In fairness.
Please stay. May mga sasabihin pa si Sir Philip.
On behalf of the Alumni Association, I'd like to present this part of appreciation to Vice 1992 for a great job hosting your 2017 homecoming. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Philip Singh, sa alumni board, sa SDA organization, sa mga kapatid. Thank you.
Congratulations, Batch 1992. And now we have our next host from Batch 68.
So our long way is almost near. So it's in 2018. We assure you that we will be working with you. We will cooperate. Magkahawak kamay tayo, pati paa, pati bulsa. And we hope, we promise, and we will work on having 2018 a big, super mega blast. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po. Before we end this part of the program, Mr. Philip here would like to call on the representative of the Golden Jubilarians.
Yes.
Everybody let me accept this plaque, please.
Anyone from Batch 67?
Okay, on behalf of the SDA Alumni Association, we present